At just 30 years old, Jeremy Calvert has been growing and selling produce for more than half his life. He started at age 14 with potatoes and eventually went into the wholesale market. But in the last 7 or 8 years, he decided he needed more out of what he was producing, and he switched to retail sales.
When you wholesale, typically a farmer will raise 1, maybe 3, maybe 4 different crops in large amounts. We raise numerous crops, but not in as big as amounts, and we try to do a better job with what we have and sell a better product than what the consumer can buy at the grocery store or anywhere else for that matter. We provide a fresher, better quality product than you can get anywhere else.
This year, Jeremy is raising 20 different crops on 20 acres in South Cullman County, ranging from potatoes and tomatoes to strawberries and peaches. Even though his acreage is only a fraction of the size of many farms, Jeremy says his operation requires a lot of work.
To grow 1 or 2 crops is one thing, and grow it on a large scale is a hard thing to do. Well, in what I do, it's extremely management intensive, because if you've got 20 different crops, you have to be on top of things. It's literally every day. Until you see what we do every day or get a comprehension of what we do every day, it's hard to understand.
Most of the work here is done by Jeremy, his wife Julie, and their 7-year-old son James, who is homeschooled. Now, growing up here, James would rather farm than just about anything else. In addition to helping Jeremy, Julie now handles most of the sales of their products.
Usually I'm at the market 3 days a week. And this year we done something different, and I sold up here at a little local store beside us, and I set up there 3 days a week. So I was actually selling 6 days a week.
In addition to the vegetables, Jeremy and Julie also have 2 broiler houses. Despite being older conventional houses, Jeremy says he competes well with more modern operations. But he sees the future of this farm being in the vegetable business.
I would like to grow in my vegetable operation. We eventually would like to have an on-farm stand, which we have to some degree now. We sell a good bit of stuff at home. We're hoping next year maybe to add more farmers markets. You know, maybe go to as many as 8 markets, maybe 1 day a week markets.
The outstanding young farm family in the horticulture division. From Cullman County, Jeremy and Julie Calvert and their son, James.